What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I saw something interesting on VIX10 index. So here in today's video, I would want us to have a market analysis on this index price action basically. So we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, a market breakdown in general. So let's see what the markets got on this index and identify our potential trade opportunity, our possible buy or sell zone in the market. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that this index has been on a downtrend. This index has been selling for some time, creating lower highs and lower lows formation, right? So on this downtrend, we got some levels that the markets created, some strong levels, level of support, level of resistance, key levels, which we have to take note of, right? So this level basically was a strong level of support, same price, buy on this level 2 times, getting the first buys here, support, second buys at this point as well, support. So as it's seen here, this level has been broken, this level of support has been broken. Like, price first broke below it as a resistance but failed to give the sells as a broken level of support on resistance, but we are getting the bullish move. The buyers are showing a lot of strength in this zone, so I actually expect this index to give some bullish moves in the coming weeks and days, basically, at least for markets to get back to this, to come back to this level of resistance, saying that we've got price react on this level, getting the sells here, resistance, right, resistance here as well, the sell resistance, and the sells at this point as well, resistance. So this level is a strong level in the market, an important level which we've got price sell on as a resistance, and this level as a support. So I expect market to push up to this level, push up to this zone before we get the sells, before we get any major sells, because this market is still on a downtrend. Let's not forget, let's still have that in mind, that this market is still on a downtrend. Seeing these lower highs the market has been creating, having these first highs here, second highs, always do well to identify the market's trend, spot the market's direction basically. So we've got these 3 lower highs which the market has been forming, so we could see the market push up back to this zone, at least to test our trend resistance level for the sells, because on trend lines we have our support level and our resistance level. So this is our trend resistance which we could see price push up to for the sells. So everything's looking good on the weekly time frame, and on the daily time frame we got this big formation which looks very nice. This is an inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, a bullish reversal pattern formation. I always take note of these reversal patterns on a higher time frame because they actually mean a lot, right? Whenever we see the market present big reversal pattern formations, we are likely to get a big bullish reversal. Like here we got this double bottom formation, having the first low here, the second low. What flowed up was this bullish breakout. So always do well to spot these reversal pattern formations. You can see we still got this double top here, this double top formation, the first highs, the second highs. What flowed up was the sells with the neckline at this point. So if the market can take a lot of time giving these formations, taking months, weeks to give these reversal pattern formations, in the next coming months and weeks, we're likely to get a big move in the market. We're likely to see the markets give big moves, right? So everything's looking good, would say. Everything's looking very nice on this index. So on the daily time frame, we had this level which has been broken. Following up was this reversal pattern formation, this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation. Would say what initiated this breakout is this reversal pattern formation here. I think same price created this big reversal pattern formation, having the left shoulder here, the head and the right shoulder. Followed up was this breakout here. So I just expect market to do retrace to a certain level which I already identified on a lower time frame for the buy move on this index. So I'm bullish on this index at the moment. I'm very, very bullish on this index. I'm looking out for good buy opportunities on VIX10 index, and we got this uptrend as well, which we've seen the market create series of higher lows and higher heights formation on this daily time frame. So everything's looking good. When we go to the forward time frame, you can see the market formation clearly, getting the highs here. Getting the highs at this point, then another high that followed up a higher high. So once we see at least 2 higher highs in a row, market is definitely bullish. So you can see the low there, we identified this low. Following up is a lower low, sorry, a higher low, because the market is in an uptrend, a higher low. So I expect the market to sell to this trend support for the buy move on this index, because on trend lines our support level and our resistance level. This is our trend support, while this is our resistance trend. So we have this level basically, which the market presented a good order block formation. So the little drop to this point, I would be buying VIX 10 index. This is my buy level. So I'll be waiting for the market to sell to this zone for the buys. And on the 1 hour time frame, the market is still creating its own trend, which we've got here. This is our trend resistance. Instead of this uptrend on the higher time frame, we still got another uptrend on the lower time frame, which is definitely our day trading opportunity, our day trading opportunity structure. So the little drop to this point, I'll be buying this index. This is my buy level, my buy zone on VIX 10 index, because we got this order block from it. This is a bullish order block that is in an uptrend. So the buy is definitely expected on this index. So I'll be setting my buy limit here at this point with my stop loss below this structure. So that's my view on this index. That's what I think of this index. And prior to getting to my buy zone, I'll be looking for a couple of confirmations on this level, a couple of confirmations like reversal pattern formations, bullish reversal patterns on this buy zone, bullish reversal pattern formations like double bottom formation, inverted head and shoulders pattern formation on this zone. I'll be looking to buying this index from that level. So that's it, guys. That's my view and analysis, and that's what I think of this index. And on my entries here, my entries on this level, basically, I'll be having my stop loss, like I said, below this structure on the 4 time, below this other blocks, and my stop loss would be here. So my TPs would be at this point. First TP likely to be here, this high, this previous highs. Okay, would say at this point, getting my entry on the 1 hour time frame here. Getting my entry, and delete this. Sorry. Getting my entry here on this yellow line. Okay, let me use this to make this bigger. This is my entry zone. Right, this is our trend we identified on the 1 hour time frame, this uptrend, which we are using to take the buys, the buy opportunity. We're using to get the buy opportunity on this index. So my entry would be here, stop loss would be on this line. And make this, change the color of this, make this blue, make it blue. My stop loss level would be on this blue line. My TP1 would be on this, that black line, and make it red, green. TP1 would be on this green line. TP1 here, TP2 would be here probably. TP2 on this highs, that level. TP3 would be somewhere here. So long-term buy opportunities is very much expected on VIX 10 index. We could see the market buy to this level of resistance, this level we got here, before we see any major sells on this index. The buys to this level is expected, as well as this identified zone on the weekly time frame. This is our strong level of resistance here, the strong level of resistance. So if I'm to catch the buys on VIX 10 index, which I'll be setting my buy limit at this point on this yellow line, this yellow box, sorry. If I'm to take the buy trade here, get my entries here, I would give you guys an update on how this trade played out. All right, so that's it, guys. That's my view and analysis on the VIX 10 index transaction basically. So for more market breakdowns, like some market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.